I dish your man coffee like always. Akwaba on the Returnees Sankofa channel. This is the moment we all been waiting for. Come, let me reintroduce you to the almighty Kelewele. Ghanaians, Africans, Asia somewhere, Europe somewhere, America, we all love it. The almighty Kelewele is here. Well, what is special about this fried spicy plantain that is making us all go crazy and just loving it? Well, let's find out from the Kelewele expert right here inside Medina. Mami Akwaba, our Returnees Sankofa channel. And then there's special about Kelewele Waitia. Obia pe obia ni je even abrofo crash see omo pe omo bagana. I want to buy Kelewele. I love Kelewele.
Kelewele media me is special.
Very well. So I just asked or trying to find out from the Kelewele aspect, and then she'd be like, well, my Kelewele is very special. I use secret ingredients, good ingredients that you would find or sometimes cannot even find on the market. That makes my Kelewele very special. And again, let's find out where from the name Kelewele. We all know this is plantain, red plantain, spiced and then fried in oil. Let me find out where from the name Kelewele. Kelewele cry, eating free. Eating Kelewele cry free.
Eating Kelewele ni de the dada. Me betu ya the sana ye flenu. Idi free ya ma memomra so say idea the dada.
Well, you heard it all. Here is the place I usually buy my Kelewele. It's the best. Honestly, it is the best. Whenever you are in Ghana, you can find this place right inside Medina Estate. It's a special Kelewele joint. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up if you like Kelewele. Press the like button and then also share and subscribe to the Returnees Sankofa channel. I love it. If you love Kelewele too, give it a thumbs up.